All right, guys, it's been a while since you've seen my fire team on here. So all we did is we went one tooth on the pinion up, and then we also put some backflip tires on here. So let's see how well it does out here at the skate park. Let's get into it. And also say, what's up, Cameron?
What's up?
Start off with the little whoop-de-woos. God, that metal chassis. I bet the gears are gonna get fried if anything in here. King of the hill. Go across the bridge. Uh-oh. Hey, baby. We already haven't rolled over like the Creighton. Ow.
That sounded bad.
I think the motor wire came out. Yeah, that did sound terrible. Oh my God, that sounded terrible. That's all we got. And we're not on fire yet. Are we ready for the big jump? One wheel wonder. One wheel wonder. Let's try out the big jump. Took that one, no problem. But can we do it again? The guy laughing over there in the truck. Ah! She's rowdy. I love it. Oh no, don't fall off. Woo! That was a rough one. Well, she took it. So it's about time we go send it off the other one. I'm just waiting to bend the chassis out here. How am I not flipped over yet? Hello. That actually really impressed me right there. Oh, that's a good one. Probably a breaker though, but let's try it. Oh, that was a hard hit. Yeah. She wasn't backflipping, so I was like, just hit the brakes. Just hit the brakes. That was a hard hit. She is not backflipping. I thought something broke right there. Maybe that drive shaft just bent. Oh well. She's still running, but she's definitely not. Oh no, water! Not my beautiful Arrma. Oh, she all muddy now. We can get those cool kamikaze RC stuff. Look at me, I'll do this a million times until I get it. I was almost cool. Get over there. I don't know what I expected there, but look at the chassis though. She's a little scraped up. I don't think it's bent though yet. All right, time for this big one over here. All right, here we go. Big jump, big jump. No problem. I love the tire sound. Thank you, trees. That really helped. So far, I think this car might have lasted the longest out here. Yeah. Especially from Arrma's. Okay. That bounced up. Oh.
Water. Oh, the water that came out when it hit.
Yeah. Oh, I thought I had that one nicely. Okay, I don't know how it's surviving this. Oh, that was almost cool. No. No. Screw it, it's an Arrma, right? No water even got on it. I'd say this is a certified A so far. What do you say?
Yeah, doing pretty good.
All right, you want to try?
No, I'm good, brother.
Oh, come on, come on.
No, I'm good.
Come on. Yeah, you haven't got to break anything in a while. So here, try it out. All right, Cameron's on the sticks now. I haven't let anybody else drive my cars at the skate park yet, so not even Byron.
You're a bright soul.
Well, she's doing good so far. Yeah, this one is a great little skate park getter. And I don't understand how it's stronger than the Creighton 6S.
Don't make much sense.
No, don't make any sense. Nice little land there, buddy. Oh, you're on your wheels. Still not a lot of in-air control. Not as much as I was hoping with the backflips. And one tooth up on the pinion. Oh! Bro, do that again, but try to land the chassis on the metal bar. No, come on, we want a taco a chassis out here. A few hours later. Woohoo! Oh, nice, it came back over. I might have a full video out here for once. Ow. That's a good one. Ooh, nice. Good land.
That was on a corner.
Yeah, that was on a corner. Whoa, little skim, little skim. I got it. Pretty fun though, right? Pretty fun. Pretty fun. Chassis update. Looks pretty straight to me. Ooh, that's a nice little front land there, buddy. Oh, finally. Finally. I don't know if I got a good film of that, but oh my God. What even happened? Oh, I know what happened. I think that might have been my wheel.
It nose landed.
It nose landed?
Yeah.
Oh no, that was my wheel that I rigged up.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, so it had a broken one in there, put JB Weld on there. So you just ran the JB Weld out of that thing. Nice camera. But I think we got a full video of the Fireteam, especially put Fireteam tires back on here. I say this is probably the most durable car out here at the skate park.
Real good.
Real good, buddy, real good. I had the bounce back on me. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the Fireteam out here. It really impressed me, and you know how I feel about Arrmas. That's literally the JB Weld right there and right there. So that was a good job there. You found some more JB Weld?
There's some more.
Well, it held up for a little while.
There's some more.
Shout out the YouTuber that told me to do that, and it held up. I mean, probably 10 minutes out here. Not bad. All right, guys, we got the Arrma Fireteam back out here today. I put the stock tires back on it. Remember, we're testing one tooth higher in a pinion and seeing how acrobatic this thing is going to be. I don't think it'll be that much more, but I can't wait to try this thing out. As it did great at the skate park, was the only thing that didn't break. Actually, only the tires broke. So let's go try it out on the stock tires. All right, guys, running some China Hobby batteries out here. You always gotta feel like you gotta wake up. You gotta wake up the Fireteam. Let's start out with a nice little jump here. Coming right at us, little flat lander. She's a ripper. Will she survive out here is the question. She survived the skate park just fine. Probably could have kept going, but she did a backflip just fine. All right, let's get this second jump and make our way down into our amazing jungle. Dude, she landed perfectly, but look at this. Oh my God, look at this earth it just took out, guys. Look at the earth it just took out. Oh yeah, she feels awake now. I don't know why, but it always feels like with a fire team, you gotta wake it up. Motor wire. That motor wire right there. All right guys, it was just a motor wire. Back at it. I would like to get one more on this good jump. Look at that. She flies perfect. Let's get onto this one now. Keep making our way down the track. Down the track we go. She's flying perfectly. She bottoms out a lot, but she's doing good. She is doing just fine. Now let's try the tree jump. Oh my God. That landed right on the arm, guys, and it took it. I think it took it. Everybody can hear that. Only time she came out here, Byron smacked it right into a tree and killed the arm. Thank you. I didn't want to have to go all the way over. Uh-oh. Somehow I missed everything. And this thing is bone stock besides one tooth higher. Oh God. I missed all the trees again. Uh-oh. We did do something. I think we broke something. Is that a shock end? We did. We broke the shock end. No! Well, this thing is taking a lot of abuse, guys. I'd still say, now I'm saying Italian's the strongest Arrma car. I'm gonna put this as a number 2. This thing survived really well at the skate park, and you guys will hopefully see that first part of the video. But this thing has really impressed me. The best part is she'll still get me back to the truck. And why not send it one more time? Because why not? Oh, I hear something crunching. Uh-oh. Oh, it's the axle. The axle's coming out. Okay, we'll go ahead and pick her up and bring her back to the truck. But all right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today of the awesome fire team. Really enjoyed this car a lot. I mean, I'm starting to come around as Arrmas. The only reason I'm not wearing my Arrma hat so I can wear the GoPro today. But hope you enjoyed this video, and as well as the Italian. We got 2 new Arrma cars, and we possibly have a new Losi coming to the channel, as well as some other new cars. So stay tuned. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.